Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Justin Salter here. I want to teach you the classic Hotel California. It's basically two sections, and I'll break it down for you. It's going to be B minor. I'll give you the chords for the intermediate players and above, and then I'll break it down for the beginner players. But it's going to be B minor, 2nd fret, up to a perfect 4th on the F sharp major. It's going to be an A to an E major, and then a G major to a D major, back to the F sharp. So that's the verse. So B major, gonna be pointer finger on the 2nd fret A string to a perfect 5th above it, which is the ring finger on the 4th fret D string, to the octave above that, which is the pinky finger on the 4th fret G string, and then it's a full bar chord, so everything's barred except for this bottom E string, so you mute it with that little piece of skin there. So it's going to be these 5 strings that ring out. And then pointer finger or middle finger is going to be on the 3rd fret B string, and then, like I said, your pointer finger is barring this whole 2nd fret. So it's going to sound like this. Same exact chord shape, just lift it up and drop it down a perfect 4th to the F sharp. It's going to sound like this, to F sharp major, to the A major, and then I actually let these bottom 2 strings ring out, the B and the G string, to the E major, sorry. I dropped that pinky down for that little spice there, to the G major. You can do the full bar chord just like the other bar chords, or you can do the country chord, I like to call it, which is the G major. That's to the D major, and then back to the E minor, back to the F sharp major, and the chorus is I'll just play it for you. Welcome to the Hotel California. So there's 2 ways to play it: the full G major bar chord, or the G major country chord. To the D, so it's going to be G major, D major, F sharp major, to the B minor, and I just do this little climb up, which is an octave. So you mute the low E string here, so it should sound dead like that. Oops, sorry. And then you mute the D string here, so the E and the D are muted. So those 4 ring out. So the octave is going to be 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret. Back to the G. So you can hit the D there on the 5th fret bar chord, or you can hit it here with the country chord. Which is nice because you can drop that pinky down for that little flare. Welcome to the Hotel California. To the E minor. Back to the F sharp major. And then there's a couple ways to play it, like I said, the country chords. So yeah, I know the bass player does like the. He does a little dance like that back and forth, but yeah, so put it all together, it's like on the doctor's highway, cool wind in your head, smell the breezes rising up in the air. And then there's a lead part at the end. I know the main part, which is need a cutaway though. So I could do that lead part in another lesson, but you kind of need a cutaway to hit that. But yeah, so that's the basic gist of it. So if you want more in-depth explanations and private lessons I offer, other than that, comment below on the next song you want to learn, quick breakdowns, and like I said, if you have any questions on, if you're a beginner and you want more in-depth explanations on these chords, then you can hit me up and we can schedule like a Zoom call or something like that. But yeah, fun song. I actually just learned it, so I'm still like trying to remember it. But anyway, comment below what song you want to hear next, and please like and subscribe. Peace and love.